you dey expect container, you go holla, Akaya. You people about that clap for themselves here. That's right. That's right. Now calm down. Make I calm down. Now calm down. If I calm down, the sister go money. I'll be truthful. I don't know what kind of. Make I calm down. And then they put the money here. When you see this man, you go listen. A man will make money for old age. Welcome. You're welcome. Let your sister come. Make a bros. No, if I come down, I see in my waist. I see if I jump, back come down. What's up? Who that be? Who that be? Anybody there? Who that be? Who that be? Wait, make I open my nipple for you. Push out. Now 100,000 in the spring. Now when they're happy, you know what you want to do. I bring something. I try to come on, don't let me first. Open the back, quick. The one man they walk in the shop. No, open that. No. Blow money. Okay. Blow money, who did this say you go? And I said homosexual until they start to like I just want to find out. Before you go back the whole money for him, you know they say something happened to your house. And they go back the yellow time they talk. You know, can you do? Blow money. I know. Okay, just put down your money. Do one last one. Are you better? New age. Do like your name, make we come out here. You know, say because I get temper. You know, you say. Jews, just look at your pocket, bring something come. If I shower shame to wear short skirt, you go hungry. When pass the water, not a selector letter. New age is bringing the susu for the man of God. No, those people just give me a buck. You get where person go old rich will give a buck. If you spell go to say the politician. New age. May God bless you. Your ways will be strong. Hallelujah. Ladies and gentlemen. Thank God. Senator, you are there. If I know say na so first tag, we will for park come stay here. But who they collect my susu? Oh my baby. No bros, I dey suspect your face. Leadership. Thank you, sir. That's when it's Papa, they humble people for first tag. That's a team with this. You for tell me now. Oh God, shake and quick with me and I get business. Shake and quick. How you make sense? You guys don't know. That's the say you pay a shock. About opposite you are giving. Who that be? Anything I looked at you. Thank you. Thank you. Before you come on. Before I come on, then we go live. Then we say,